everybody, myself Ritik Kudalkar. Welcome back to my channel. Today is yet another episode of Design Dissertation, and today we'll be talking about case studies. Case study is very important because जब तुम एक टॉपिक लेते हो तो तुम्हें उसके रिगार्डिंग केस स्टडी करना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है बिकॉज तब तुम्हें आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हाउ अ गुड architect might have designed the structure. What were the pros, cons, things you'll get inspired by, things you want to have in your structure, things that you feel like ye galat tha, I think maybe I should improve on this part, the problems that existed, the rules that were followed, everything needs to be understood. Now, my topic was veterinary hospitals, so I visited the hospitals. Now, again, when you're doing case studies, make sure you're taking structures which are in India and the structures that are abroad. Because दोनों की designing में rules, regulations, users, everything is different. The kind of experience that is created in Indian spaces is definitely different than what is created in abroad spaces because climate is one of the important factors, budget is another important factor, and the cultural difference that exists in India and abroad. So no matter if it's like a marketplace, there are certain things that maybe you can learn from the streets of or the lanes that exist out of India, and then you can take some positive points from it and apply it for your design that is probably situated in India. So ऐसे करने से ना तुम एक तो you're more confident because you know not just things that are happening in India but also a brief knowledge of the similar structure or institution existing abroad all over the country, all over the world. So it helps to compare and make choices. हो सकता है कि अब्रॉड में कुछ कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ इतने अच्छे हैं विच इज़ नॉट इवन एग्जिस्टिंग इन इंडिया, सो यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस दोज एलिमेंट्स इन योर डिज़ाइन. जब मैं केस स्टडी कर रही थी abroad based, I realized कि they have this huge plot of land that was given for the structure. सारे structures ground based थे because they had this liberty or they had this luxury of having a huge plot of land for the animals. We have seen a few structures in India which were like G+2. Of course, when I'm talking about animals, उनको lift से ऊपर लेके जाना. If I'm talking about big animals, it is not a easy task to probably use a huge good lift to lift them from the ground level to the upper level. ये होने वाला चीज़ नहीं है. तो बिकॉज स्पेस कम होता है तो ये सब चीज़ें करने पड़ते होंगे, बट उधर स्पेस ज़्यादा है तो दे आर नॉट डूइंग इट. सो देर इज़ डिफरेंस. So when you study them, you understand certain point of likeness and certain point of dislikeness, similarities, differences, pros and cons. So you can select things that ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, and then you can make notes of it. Make sure that whatever thing you like and you feel like ये design में डालना है, make a note of it so that later on you don't forget and you can apply to their design. Then, especially when you're visiting a structure, make sure you have a list of questions ready to ask the authorities or whoever in charge. Then also make sure you have a permission letter, because अगर तुम कॉलेज से permission letter लिए बिना जाओगे तो कोई तुम्हें entertain नहीं करने वाला. कोई तुम्हें नहीं बोलेगा ओ तुम्हारा थीसिस है, आओ आओ हमारे यहाँ पर आओ, we'll show you everything. No, that doesn't happen. Make sure you have your letter in place. Make sure you have it signed with your principal or whoever is required to sign it, and make sure it's a proper letter where you're specifying why you're visiting the place, and the whole purpose of it. And then if you want to click pictures, बहुत सारी जगह में तुम्हें पिक्चर्स क्लिक करने के अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दिए जाएंगे, तो either have a permission letter which states कि I need to click pictures, I need to click video because it's for study purpose, या फिर you can ask some of the authority there. तो जब मैंने थाने CPCA visit किया था तो वहाँ पे they said that photography is not allowed. However, the person in charge over there, he said that he will click pictures and send me. So even that helps, because what we need is pictures, so that visit करके आई से स्कैन कर दिया, but that is not always beneficial. We need pictures so that we can look back at it and understand certain more details of the spaces. सो उस अथॉरिटी ने पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके मुझे दे दिया, एंड आई इंक्लूडेड दोज फोटोग्राफ्स इन माई बुक एज वेल. So that helps. Then there is another thing that is not very recommended, but also very recommended, is sneak in your camera and click certain pictures which you think is very important for you. Because of course one thing is you go to the Google Maps and then you go to the photos and you get a lot of pictures of the place. But if you still feel ki yaar this is not sufficient and there is something that I want to click, take your phone, and if you think it is safe, click some pictures. And if they stop you, then obviously keep it back. But if you can manage to click pictures with no one else knowing about it, do it. It is for study purpose, right? Everything is fair. I'm not trying to misguide people, but at the same time I have also done it, and I think everybody does it, because certain times, okay, rules to be followed is fine, but sometimes we need to break the rules to make sure that we get our work done. So sometimes it's fine. Of course, if you think a place will strictly not allow, तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, तुम स्नीक इन करके फोटोज ले सकते थे, बट क्योंकि तुमने अथॉरिटी से पूछ लिया कैन आई क्लिक पिक्चर्स एंड दे सेड नो, देन यू कैन नॉट क्लिक पिक्चर्स बिकॉज दे विल कीप आई ऑन you and your phone, and they'll make sure कि तुम फोटो ना खींचो. So also try to understand situation कैसा है, and accordingly visit, react and take actions. So along with study, even your personal values and personal skills and intelligence is also very important in these kind of situations. So with that, I I encourage you all to do online as well as offline case studies, but offline is more important क्योंकि जब तुम actually उस place में जाते हो तुम्हें दिखता है. Now photographs you cannot understand the feel and the smell of the place. If it's like a for me it was like an animal stable kind of a thing. There was a lot of smell. पिक्चर से वो स्मेल नहीं दिखता है या फिर नहीं एक्सपीरियंस होता है, बट व्हेन आई वेंट देयर आई वाज लाइक डैम दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्मेल, आई नीड टू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट व्हेन आई एम डिज़ाइनिंग. सो इसीलिए इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट गो टू द प्लेस. मेरे केस में इट वॉज दिस स्मेल एंड दिस ओडर इशूज़. प्रोबेबली in your structure there are certain other issues जो सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस करके पता चलेगा. So visit the site. Good luck to guys and girls. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.